Good morning, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here. Yesterday, it was a continuation of the fall. Nifty started its down move from 15,316 to the level of 14,771. This is Nifty future chart. I'm taking the Nifty future chart purposefully. Why? Because volume is represented over here. In the index, we cannot see the volume. Actually, this activity, the first fall from 15,372 to 14,557, and the retracement back to these levels are taking place in a low volume when compared to the high volume area. So we can consider as according to the Wyckoff principle, it may be a consolidation to go to the next level high up, or it may be a distribution to correct itself, Nifty to the correct itself to the fair value. Actually, Nifty has rallied from 7,000 to the nearly almost doubled to the level of 15,300 or 400. Now the question, the value of all the stocks, they have become very expensive. Now, it is showing some sort of roller coaster rides. You are into a roller coaster ride. See, you think it is going up and you are entering it, and it is making a lower highs, and it is coming down. And now at present, in this move, the continuous move of 3, 4, 5 days of move, the Nifty has got the support at 14,677. That is in Nifty futures. Suppose if it doesn't violate this level, 14,677, then there is every chance of Nifty going up towards the first level of 14,988, and it may go up to 15,236 or to a little bit more than that. And if it fails over here, if it fails to go past this level, then it confirms the continuation of correction. Correction means it is making a lower high. When it starts making lower high, only this level, 15,000 around 236 to 280 will confirm us. If it doesn't go past that, it will confirm that there is some hurdle for the Nifty. Nifty, actually, price will not fall at once, because these are the shares which have been accumulated over 1.5 years, actually, from the 7,000 to the level of 15,000. So offloading of shares, it will take time. So usually big institutional players, if they want to offload the shares, they will do all these sorts of things. They want a higher price to offload the shares. So they are creating an illusion that giving a discount to the retail investors, and retail investors will board in and they will offload at a higher price. And this behavior, when it is making a lower highs, then it confirms that. So it doesn't want to go past these levels. It will confirm. So this leg down and this leg up to 15,286, not beyond that, will confirm us this is distribution taking place. Or otherwise, if it goes past this level, then only it will confirm it as a consolidation, and it is a flag, and it is, flagpole, and this is flag consolidation. So at present, it is very difficult for us, anybody, to guess what is happening in the market, what the bigger player is playing the game. The way he is coming down is making a range. It is trading in a range. So we need to, as a retail traders, we need to play within these ranges. So this is the range when it comes to 14,677, and now the range becomes to 15,236. Maybe this may be the range for the from this month, March 15th to next month, April 15th. Then we have to see how the price proceeds. Probably earnings may start. If the earning degrades starts coming, or if the earnings are very good, then Nifty may go past this level. That's why market is waiting for something, and it is consolidating, and the price is very high. So at present, we need to become wise to travel, wise to trade accordingly, because say we have to consider this range. Now you, as a trader, as a retail trader, we have to trade the ranges now. So you need to adapt the strategy for range trading. So what is the range actually? From 15,236 to 677, almost 700, 500 points range. So you have got 500 points range play now. So within that range, be careful and trade. Unless until, if this range, this is the range, the low made on the 14,589 is decisively broken, then Nifty will resume its downtrend. Maybe there will be a free fall on the Nifty to the level of 13,678. It will not halt. It may first go to this level, this channel low, like 14,173, and then it may start to going lower. It may make lower highs. Now at present, in the range, it is showing a lower highs and also higher lows. So it is in the range. Now it is a caution actually. Caution, you need to trade the range trading and adopt the range strategy. That will be the wise idea. So immediately don't go for shorting the market, because this is not warranting. Now at present it is not warranting anything. See, this candle low should be broken decisively. Then only Nifty will show some sort of real weakness in the market. At present, it is trading in the range. If you see, and these are the 5 days of correction. Here also 3 to 5 days of correction. Later, after the 5 days of correction, there was a consolidation. Sideways movement on one day, and then it started going up. Now the range, if the range is constricted, see from this range, from 14,685 to 15,298. This is also almost 500 to 600 points range. So now this range may culminate in the, if you imagine, this range may be 500 to within the 500 to 600 range. So if the Nifty has to go past this level, the range has to extend to the higher, or if it falls, this range has to go down. Now this is the equal range of the fall. So range fall should exceed either to go down or range up should exceed either to go up. That is the logic behind this Nifty. So for today, on an expiry day, today is an expiry day, so the market may go sideways. Probably it may make a very small range candle, and expire at the level of around the level of 14,800 or 14,700 or 14,850. It may expire at this range, 860. So friends, trade accordingly. Let me go to the intraday level. It's okay. It becomes a very lengthy discussion. This is the discussion I wanted to convey to you, because everybody will have confusion by seeing these big candles. See, this is an expansion. This is a wide range candle, narrow range candle, and it is a wide range candle. Wide range candle. And see the volume. Volume is decreasing over here. Volume is decreasing. In this fall, volume should have increased. It is not increasing. It is decreasing. So since it is decreasing, but there is an anomaly between the wide range candle and the volume. So friends, trade accordingly and wisely. Look for the level. So this level is very, very important. 14,677 on the future. It should not violate. Thank you, friends. Nalinakshi Swami here, signing off.